everyone, welcome to Sweet Pieces Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to be working on the Waffle Rib Stitch, which is going to be a 6-row repeat. Don't worry because it is fairly simple, because all you need to know how to do is how to knit and how to purl. So the multiple for this stitch is going to be a multiple of 5. I have a total of 15 here. So if you would like to, you can go ahead and cast on your multiple of 5 and then we'll go ahead and get started. For the first row repeat, we are going to be working on the front side of our work, and very simple. All we're going to do is knit in each stitch. So we can go ahead and knit in each stitch straight across. Alright, so that is row number 1. Again, we will knit straight across. For row number 2, you are going to go ahead and turn your work. So now we will be on the back side of our work, and we are going to go ahead and purl in each stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this row. Again, for row number 2, you are going to purl in each stitch. Row number 3 and row number 5 are going to be the exact same, as they are going to be on the right side of our work, meaning that it's going to be on the front. And then row number 4 and row number 6 are going to be the exact same, which is going to be on the wrong side of our work, which will be on the back side. So for row number 3, we are going to start off with a knit 2. So go ahead and knit 2. So 1 and 2, and then we are going to purl 3. So go ahead and purl 3, 1, 2, and 3. And that is the repeat unit for row number 3 and 5. So again, we are going to start off with a knit 2, so 1 and 2, and then we are going to purl 3, 1, 2, and 3. Again, one more time. Go ahead and knit 2 and purl 3. So that is row number 3. So row number 4, we're going to go ahead and turn to the back side of our work. And we are going to start off with a knit 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we are going to purl 2. So 1 and 2. And that is going to be the repeat unit for row number 4. So we are going to knit in the purl stitches that we did in the previous row, and then purl in the knit stitches from the previous row. So again, we are going to knit 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we are going to purl 2. Again, one more time, the repeat unit. Go ahead and knit 3 and purl 2. So that was row number 4. So go ahead and turn your work to the front side. And again, row number 5 is going to be just like row number 3. And we are going to start off with a knit 2. So 1 and 2. And then we are going to purl 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Again, we are going to knit 2. So 1 and 2, and purl 3. 1, 2, and 3. One more time. Go ahead and knit 2 and purl them last 3 stitches. So that was row number 5. For row number 6, again, we are going to repeat row number 4. So again, we are going to start off with a knit 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Purl 2. And that is the repeat unit for row number 6. Again, knit 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Purl 2. And one more time, knit 3. And purl 2. Those are the 6 repeating rows for the waffle rib stitch. So you will see that there is a stockinette ribbing going on, and then in between the ribbing there is some garter stitches. And what really gives it the waffle name is you see that there is a little bit of a stockinette going on that separates the blocks. So that's how it is the waffle rib stitch, where there is some ribbing going on, but also there's a little bit of a stockinette stitch that separates the blocks. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe. And I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you for the next video.